In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Meta Business Suite, not uploading photos and videos. Let's start right inside Meta Business Suite. Open it in your browser and make sure you're logged into the correct business account and page. This is important because if you're in the wrong business or asset, you might not see the right uploading options or you might not have permission to post at all. Once you're on the main home screen of Meta Business Suite, look for the option to create a post. This is usually clearly visible, often near the top or in the center of the page. Click on Create Post, and this will open the Post Composer where you can add your content. Inside the Post Composer, you should see different options to attach media. First, click on Add Photo. This tells Meta Business Suite that you want to upload an image to your post. When the photo panel opens, choose the option to upload from desktop. This will open your computer's file browser. Now, before you pick a file, check its format. Facebook recommends using PNG or JPG for images, and those are generally the most reliable. Most other common image formats will work, but if you're having upload issues, switching your image to PNG or JPG often solves the problem. If you can, also avoid extremely large dimensions, as that can sometimes cause slow uploads. Next, let's look at videos. Back in the same Post Composer, click on Add Video. Just like with photos, select Upload from Desktop to choose a file from your computer. For videos, Facebook recommends using MP4, MOV, or GIF files. These formats tend to process more smoothly. Again, while most file types are supported, sticking with MP4 in particular usually gives you the best results. If your file formats look fine and the uploads still fail, you'll want to check the file size. For videos, Meta sets a maximum file size of 4 gigabytes. For images, the limit is 30 megabytes. If your file is larger than these limits, the upload may stall, fail, or never finish processing. In that case, compress or resize the file and try again. If none of that helps, there are a few other common culprits. The duration of the video might be an issue if it's extremely long. Your permissions could be limited if you're not an admin or editor on the page. Your browser might be out of date, or a browser extension could be interfering, so try updating it or switching to another browser. A weak or unstable network connection can also interrupt uploads, so test your internet or move to a more reliable connection. Finally, sometimes the original files themselves are corrupted, so try exporting or saving a fresh copy and uploading that version instead.